Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a little unboxing for you and it is of some skincare. Hey Bud reached out to me and asked if I would like to try one of their little bundles and I had a little look and it is hemp based skincare. It's cruelty free, it's vegan. It looks awesome. It's really it looks like a really lovely brand. You can see I haven't opened it yet. It's all still sealed. This is they've sent me the Clear Skin All Stars bundle, which is a clay mask, a gel moisturizer, a gel cleanser and a niacinamide serum and a brush, and it is £80 currently on offer. It's normally 106. They are based in Australia. It didn't take very long to get here. I didn't have to pay any customs on it either. It's got really good reviews, so I thought I would give it a little go and see what it's like. I need to open this though because this has got a sticker on it. So we shall have a see. I'm gonna undo it all now, have a little look, and then I'll start using it, and then we'll come back in a couple of weeks and sort of see how it goes. I'm hoping you get some really cool stickers. They're cute. You get some little stickers with it, which I love. I love stickers. Less stress, more care, and it just says hey bud, so they're cute. And then the contents of the box looks like this. So we have got a clear as clay hemp clay mask that draws out impurities, clears and brightens. The ultimate skin saviour, fueled by the power of hemp seed oil, which can help revive skin, draw out impurities and give you a glow like no other, minus the greasy finish. Jam-packed with extra goodness to enhance the benefits of this hemp seed oil. Kaolin, avocado and goji will take your skin from blah to boiling by hydrating, detoxifying and restoring balancing oils in problematic areas. So yeah, apply an even amount to clean dry skin and leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse off with a cloth. So I will use this tonight. I'll use everything I can tonight. I'll use it and put it in this video, and then we can sort of assess how it goes over the next few weeks. So yeah, that looks nice. Let's have a little, how can I get it out? Oh, I love the packaging as well. It's really cute. I just love the name Hey Bud. That does not want to come out. There we go. Oh, it smells really good. I'm excited to try that one. So that's the mask. Then we've got a gel, Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturizer. Deeply hydrates and calms skin. Lightweight moisturizer. Helps increase hydration. It's got aloe vera. Other things that I don't know what they are. The main ingredient is aloe vera leaf juice and then water, so that's nice. Massage into your face morning and night. Oh, again, that's a really cute bottle. It's glass packaging. This is glass, which is really nice. Oh, and it's a... Oh, I love the smell of it. It is reminiscent of a cucumber moisturiser that I used years ago. I think it was a Body Shop one, but that's like gone in and there's no residue whatsoever. That feels lovely. Then next up we've got the Hit Refresh Gel Cleanser. On the side it says what is in it, so you've got like a little list here. So we've got hemp, green tea, salicylic acid, betaine, vegan, cruelty-free and recyclable packaging. Massage 1 to 2 pumps on the interface and rinse with water. Does it remove makeup? I'll have to Google to see if that removes makeup or if it is just a normal cleanser. I love the packaging. It's so nice. It feels really lovely. Oh, I need to turn that, don't I? It's just a clear gel. use that to take my makeup off tonight if it removes makeup. We've got a little brush to apply the mask. I assume that's what it's for. That's a really nice soft brush. And then the last thing is the niacinamide 10% serum. Yeah, so we'll give that away. Is it going to be a dropper? I love a dropper. Is it a dropper? No, it's a little pump. It's fine. But again, it's glass packaging. It just feels really luxe. It feels really, really nice. You can buy everything separately as well. You don't have to buy a bundle. I think it obviously works out cheaper to buy a bundle. So yeah, I will try all these tonight. And as I'm using them, I'll film and then insert that footage. And then we will have a go over the next few weeks and see what I think. So yeah, let's jump in to like, what time is it now? 1 o'clock. So like, see you in like 8 hours to remove makeup.